China orders airlines to halt Boeing 737 MAX 8 flights. Chinese airlines have been ordered to suspend Boeing 737 MAX 8 flights after a deadly Ethiopian Airlines crash using the same model. Domestic airlines must halt commercial operations of all Boeing 737 MAX 8 planes by 6 p.m. local time, the aviation regulator said. The Ethiopian Airlines flight crashed minutes after takeoff on Sunday. It was the second crash involving a 737 MAX 8 in the past 5 months. In a statement, the Civil Aviation Administration of China said it would notify airlines as to when they could resume flying the Boeing jets.